Let me introduce Kia new infotainment system with upgraded smart features. Do you find it inconvenient to go into settings every time you need to change something for frequently used functions? Try the quick control functions. No matter which screen you're on, you can simply touch the top of the screen and swipe down. The quick control screen will appear. Instantly change settings such as voice guidance and screen brightness while driving. Use voice record to capture an idea that suddenly came up while driving. Tap the settings button icon in the top right corner of the quick control screen and select which cards to display in quick control. Press and hold a card on the home screen, then drag it to the location you desire. Learn how to check information with navigation guidance. Swipe from right to left for split screen view. Then you can check out sports, clock, or weather details. Experience Kia's smarter infotainment system now.